Hello, my dear friends. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be discussing about why birds fly in a V shape. So, friends, have you ever looked up at the sky and seen a group of birds flying in a perfect V shape? It's just not a beautiful sight. It's a nature's brilliant design. Birds fly in a V-shaped formation mainly for two amazing reasons. First is to save energy, and second one is to stay together. Let's start with the first one, the saving energy. When a bird flaps its wings, it creates air currents that lift the birds behind it. This makes flying easier for the bird in the back, like riding a wave of air. Each bird takes advantage of one ahead, reducing wind resistance. And when the front bird gets tired, it moves back and another birds take the lead. That's teamwork in action. Now, the second reason is staying together. The V shape allows every bird to see and follow the others clearly. It helps them avoid collision and stay in formation even during long migrations. With this shape, the whole flock can move like one big graceful birds. Isn't that smart? So, next time you see birds in the sky flying in a V, remember it's not just beautiful, it's brilliant science in motion. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing nature facts.